Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and yeah, welcome. So today I am going to be doing a haul. It's a Christmas decor slash, I don't know why I need it, slash it don't even need to be in my house, slash haul. Okay, so I went to Michael's, Hobby Lobby. Some of the stuff is already set up and out, so once I'm finished with what's still in bags, I will take the camera and show you guys some of the pieces that are up. And yeah, so let's get into the video. I'm so excited. Let's do Michael's first because they had an amazing sale because their Christmas items were 50% off the original price, and then there was an additional 25% off your entire purchase. The first piece of items that I got is this advent, what is this? It's an advent calendar, and it's like a little tree coming down, and then it has the letters here, so you just start from here and go all the way down. I saw it and I was like, I love it. I don't know where I'm gonna put it exactly, but I had to have it. My next item is this sign. Like, it says comfort and joy, comfort and joy, and it's just red and white, and then it has galvanized material down here, and it's just really pretty. I know exactly where I want to put this up, and because we're moving, I went crazy because all the decor pieces that I have in my house, I can take them down, put them in I can take them down, put them in boxes, and put these up so that way I don't have to worry about storing anything. That's that. The next item is these, and at first I wanted to get the white one with the reindeer antlers in it, and it lights up, and it had the wreath and all of that. But then I was like, I saw these and you could use them all year round, and I was like, why not? And I don't remember the specific prices on these. This was $24.99. It was half off with an additional 20% off. So so cute. And I got 2 of these. Next item, of course, is this galvanized clock, which I'm going to replace with my other clock. I told you guys I was looking for a clock to replace the one I have up there, and this was $79.99 with 80% off with an additional 25% off. So I paid like less than $15 for this bad boy. The my daughter took the handles off, the little hand, so I'm just gonna put it back up, slap it on the wall. So that's that. Yeah, that's cute. Next item is just this wreath. This was $4, and this bad boy is really cute. I have a home sign in my dining room where I want to replace the wreath, but I was also thinking that when I put up this guy, I could attach this bad boy to it. Next is this 100-piece shatterproof ornament. Unfortunately, I purchased this 2 days before they had the additional coupon, so this was $10, and I trashed my other ornaments. So yeah, unfortunately I don't think I will be using the green. It's just, I think I will be using just the red. I don't think I'll be using the gold. I'm not sure yet, not sure. But I bought a buffalo checkered print ribbon situation, and this was the only ornament that this matched there. So I was like, I had to get it. My husband wanted purple, so whatever. Bunch of ribbons. So I got this buffalo check print, and this is my main theme. So I got that to wrap around the tree, and also wreath and garlands. And then I had to have this guy. It just said joy on it, and it's just burlap, and it's really, really, the camera won't focus, but come on, focus. Yeah, so just say joy. And then I got this one. I couldn't choose, so my husband told me to get both. So this one just says Merry Christmas, and then it had some berries in there, so that's really cute. So next I went and I picked up some picks. I have picks, but I wanted to get some more rustic kind of situation going on, and I found these guys, and it had the buffalo print, but this is, it had the green in it though, but it's close enough. And it has the burlap and the little bell and the berries, and it was too cute. So I got 2 of these, and they were less than $2, or right around $2 for those. And look at this guy. Like, I only got one because it was $5.99, and even though it was like a little under $2, but still, this is like so stinking cute, like really. So I got one of that, and then I got, oh, it's not gold and it's not silver. It's like the perfect match, and I'm like, I was looking for something in between, and I was like, I don't want gold and I don't want silver, so this is like the perfect match between silver and gold. And I got 3 of these, and I'm gonna go back and get me some more because look at these are so cute. So I got 3 of those. And next I got just a bunch of you know, your basic little picks. These are the smaller ones. They're not long. The picks are the handles, the little stick on here are not long, but I got 3 of these, and they are cute. And then I got the green, the red, the white, and the green. I got 4 of these, and they're so cute. So I got those picks to stick into my trees, and also for my floral arrangement when I do my floral. And then next, look at this guy. It says Merry Christmas, and my idea is to get the wreath and put this bad boy in here, or you know, something. But I need to get one more because I'm thinking of doing another wreath, but I need to get one more. But I couldn't pass it up, and it was on sale, $4.99, 50% off, 25, so very inexpensive. You guys should totally check out Michael's right now. Don't wait for their stuff, because when you wait for like 70%, 80%, you go and try to find stuff, it's all gone. So I picked up a few ornaments, and every year I try to get, you know, just a mix of different kind of ornaments. So I picked up this little ski, and it was $4.99. It was less than $2. So this is what it looks like. Is this ski or sled? What? Whatever. No, this is a ski. Picked up the ski, and then, oh, look at this guy. Oh my word. It's just a burlap bag. It has some stuff in it, some pine cones, and you know, it's really cute. So, oh, that is so cute. I love these little bags. Like, I couldn't just have one. I got 3. And this one just says reindeer food and stuff like that. And then it has a little tag right here. And that is so stinking cute. So I got that. Baby. If you guys know me, I love anything red truck, red car with a tree on it. Just slap a tree on it, and it's my, as long as it's red, it's calling my name. Like, look at this. So I got that. I got 1. I need to go back and get some more. But then I got the rain boot. That rain boot, whatever. Know why I got the rain boot? Because they had the buffalo check print on there, and I was like, yes baby, give it to me. So I got that. And I think that's all I got from Hobby Lobby. I have some stuff, you know, in the house, so I'll show you guys. But next I went to Home Goods because I had to find some napkins because I'm setting my table for the holiday. And look at these are white, and it just have a silver, I don't know if you guys can see the detail, it just have a silver tree on it, and it's so cute, but it's not silver, it's the same, you know, kind of thing going on. And I got 2 of these. Okay, anyway, so yeah, so I picked up 2 of these, and there's 4 come in a pack, so I have 8 altogether. And that's the Arctic brand, I think. Then I went to Target because I had to get some stuff from their dollar spot, and I went to look for the sleigh, and they didn't have the sleigh. I couldn't find the sleigh, and I was so upset because my plan was to put the sleigh in the center of my table and put my ovals, my Ray-Dun ovals in it, but I couldn't find it, so I have to go back to Target, and I don't want to. But anyways, I went crazy. So I got this. My intentions for this is to cut it open and stitch it up and make a long table runner. This is a scarf, so I got this. This was $7. I got these lights. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I got these are string lights, and they're 6 feet long. Yeah, they're 6 feet long, and I got 2 of them. So these were $5 a piece, so I got 2 trees. I found these, and I was so mad that they were just randomly placed, and so I got the big ones. Well, the big ones, and these are the medium size. So 4 comes in here, $3 a pack. 2 comes in here, $3 a pack. So I'm gonna put these on my tier tray that I just got, and I'm like super excited about that because it is so stinking cute, and I can't wait to put all of this stuff on it and be ready for Christmas. But anyways, found this joy sign. It was $3, and yeah, I had to have joy in my life because I'm going through a lot right now, so I need as much joy as I can possibly consume. So I got joy. It was $3. Baby, like, oh, this is so cute. This is so cute. I'm not a fan of the mistletoe and stuff, but do you see that? I was like, oh my gosh. And this was $3, so I picked it up, and it just says joy, and it has the buffalo print on the back. And I went to go take a look at the Magnolia line, and I was like, I don't really need much of what they have to offer. I love the wreath, but I'm not willing to pay $39 or $34 for a wreath when I can get one from Michael's that are of better quality for cheaper. So not because it's name brand doesn't mean that I have to go and pay full price for something, but this was a reasonable price. This was $17.99, and it's just a table runner. And after the holidays and everything is finished, I want to be able to, you know, put this on my table all year round. So I just went ahead and got their table runner. Their stuff is beautiful, but not my style in terms of farmhouse. Anyways, so that's what I got from Target. And then I got some ornaments. They're gift toppers. They're not really ornaments, but they're gift toppers. Baby. They had this banner, and it's just buffalo check print, and I had to have it. Now I found out that they have one that says Merry Christmas, which is circular, so I have to go and find that, because yeah, this is just plain. There's no writing on it. You can put words on it, you can do whatever you want with it, but it's buffalo print, so I had to have it. This I just picked up. It was $1. They're just closed pins, and they're decorative, so I can use this to pin whatever on, I don't know. I just had to have them. They were $1. This one just says nice, naughty, merry, believe in joy, and that was $1. Next up we have this shoe, the little ice skating shoe. These were $1, and yes girl, buffalo check print on the little shoe, so I had to have it. It was $1, and they are good quality. I got a black ski, whatever, you know what I'm talking about. These are just gonna be hung on my tree, and I'm on the hunt for more, because for $1 you can't beat that. And this one says, baby, it's cold outside. Baby, it's cold outside. So that's what that is. It's just a little mitten. And I had to have it. It's a J buffalo. There go my pillows back there. You guys peeping that? It's just a J, and it's buffalo check print, and yeah, whatever. This one is just a sleigh. I say sled. Whoever wants to say sleigh, sleds, whatever. This is just that with a Christmas tree tied to it, and it's stinking cute. Yeah, it's $1. And that's complete the haul. And you guys can still find stuff. It's still time to go out there and find all these pieces. So if you like any of this stuff, you better get a moving on it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.